So good morning to all. Now next topic we are going to start is our styles in a document. Styles. It is there in Unit 2, Section 4. So what is style? A style in a word processor is named collection of various formatting information that defines the look and behavior. Means you can change the look of your document through styles. Like you have your own styles, your friend is having his or her own style. Like everybody is there his or her styles. So in the same way, a document is having its style. You can change it also. So we are going to discuss this now. Oh, here one more thing. Here you can see one more thing we can cover here is here you can see that your paragraph left part is this each character is going to display in the first character, but right side arrangement is not proper. This is your left arrangement actually, left alignment. But if you are making it to this justify element, see what is happening as it is printed in your book. Every right side character and left side characters are positioned properly. It will be looking like that. See, every character is positioned here. All the right side characters are set accordingly and front characters are set accordingly. This is called justify alignment. This was missed, that's why I thought that you should know it. Now, this question is asked in the examination that what is style and what are the advantages of it. So you can see the advantages. Style maintains consistency formatting. Consistent formatting in the document means all paragraphs will have same size look. Whatever effect, whatever formatting you are giving the paragraph, it will be there in the whole paragraph. That can be size, color, font, line spacing, or any other indent, like that, everything. So that can be applied. Then styles make major formatting changes, easily replicable across all the objects of the same style. और मीन्स जितनी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की स्टाइल आपने जो भी सेलेक्ट किया है पैराग्राफ उसमें ये एप्लीकेबल होगा पूरे के पूरे में. दिस इज दैट. एंड थर्ड, इट मेक द फॉर्मेटिंग चेंजेस वेरी फास्ट. इट इज एप्लीकेबल वेरी फास्ट. वी कैन सी दिस. आई एम शोइंग यू वन. So these are the types of styles in OpenOffice Writer, that is paragraph style, character style, page style, frame style, and list style. In our syllabus, paragraph style and character styles is given, so I am giving you the example for that. To select style and formatting, we have to click on format menu, then style and formatting, or you can press F11 for function key number 11 directly. So from here we can select it. So now we are going to see how can you apply style on an object. So for that we are going to click on the style. Then what we are doing, that I am making a break here. Then suppose here I want to make this as the style change. Here I have to click on this paragraph style. In paragraph style I will select, by default it is this. Now I am going to change it to heading 1. Then see the effect. Here you will double click on it to make the style change. If you will double click on, see that this is the heading 1 style. In the same way, if you will double click on heading 10, so this is heading 10 style. Like that, various heading styles are there, you can change it. Now character styles. Character styles are applied to selected characters which are the part of the paragraph, and paragraph style is affected on the paragraph. So character style, giving you example, suppose we are selecting this particular text of the document, behavior of the document components. We are selecting this and we want to change the character style of it. Then you will click on this character. By default it is this. We want to change it to suppose emphasis. So double click on this emphasis. It will change it to emphasis. This is the style, means select that particular part and apply that effect, then it will change that style. Now we are going to see the fill format mode. So fill format mode is to apply a style to many different areas quickly without having to go to back. Now suppose we want to apply this particular emphasis in various sections of the document. So what we will do, we will click on this fill format mode. Then from fill format mode, it is giving me this option. So from here we can select any particular this emphasis style. When you will come out after selecting this emphasis, click on this fill format, and when you're coming out you can see that this type of icon, this my mouse cursor is changed to this paint type brush. So this is your mouse pointer is changed to this type of icon. Then if you want to apply this emphasis style to this formatting in document, it is there in emphasis mode. Then suppose this part you want to make change, again apply it. So whenever whatever part you are selecting, the fill format mode is changing that to emphasis mode. You can select any and you can try this. Like this I am going to change. See, it will be there in emphasis mode now. So this is your fill format style. So this chapter is important as per the theory examination part of view. Here the questions are asked that what are the styles, what are the character styles, and how it is different from paragraph style. How can you use fill format? These all questions are asked in the examination, so you should prepare it. Okay, next time we will see another topic. Thank you all.